You can feel the whole apartment building shaking. Trees were snapping, and you could hear snap, crackle, bam!
There were 50,000 total households in the county before the hurricane. It was over 10,000 were severely destroyed or totally destroyed. The insurance claims were over $20 billion for a county that only has 187,000 people. Over 49 people lost their lives in this storm.
Before the hurricane, we actually lived in a house up the street. The house was great because we had just moved from like a terrible apartment complex. There was a lot of violence over there. I couldn't even let the kids go outside and play. We lived there for 3 years and they had to stay inside the whole time. And so we moved into the house and it was great because it was in a good neighborhood. The kids could play outside and we had the fenced-in yard. I mean, it was a safe place. And then the hurricane came.
Everything was torn up, torn down. It looked like World War III. Everything was down, broken, devastated. No lights, no running water. That was the most scariest time of my life that anything that I've ever been in.
I was in the bedroom, and then a big boom. And then I seen the tree come through the living room, and benches, and the ceiling came down with the ceiling fan.
My mother's bedroom being right here and the kitchen being right there, it was unbelievable that it didn't go in either direction and it went right down the middle between where both of us were.
And you start all of a sudden feeling like a homeless person because you have no place to go and lay your head. You have no home.
We're delighted to have all you folks here from Volvo. And if it were not for people such as yourselves and people from all around the world who've stepped up to help us, I don't know where we'd be. We can truly say that we've been blessed because we live in a world that cares. And it's obvious that each one of you care.
When you get on the street level and you start talking with people and you start doing projects like this, it really drives home what people endured. So it's humbling, very humbling.
You can always look past something and get through it. It's gonna hurt you, yes, and it's gonna sting, yes. But you pick yourself up, brush yourself off, and keep on moving. We're gonna band together as a community, as a city, and we're gonna try to get through this.